Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me today. In this video I'm going to show you how you can approach the create a comic strip topic for your grade 8 project. I'm going to show you all the steps that I took when I created my comic, and hopefully this is going to help you with some ideas as well. For my comic strip, I have decided to make an 8-frame comic about the novel Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. Of course, there are many key scenes in the novel, but I decided to choose the one where Charlie found the money in the snow and bought the chocolate bar in which he found the 5th and last golden ticket. After deciding on the scene I wanted to use, I drafted my comic and divided my page into 8 frames. The frames are not the same size, as I decided that I want to place some emphasis on Charlie's face in some frames, and I want to place emphasis on the scene in other frames. In these 8 blocks, I drew the scenes in pencil and then I outlined everything with a black fine liner. I erased the pencil marks and continued with my coloring. You can use any other medium if you do not have markers. Pencils, crayons, highlighters, or even paint will work very well. Finally, I was done with my project and I just decided to sign my name. I hope this video gave you a better idea as to how you can design a comic strip based on a piece of literature. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. Share the video with your peers and subscribe for more content. Until next time!